Welcome back to the Twisted Sisters podcast.
So today,
It's episode
we are
3.
doing tequila shots. Kay, this topic, is requires tequila
a lot
shots
of
actually.
alcohol. Ay, wait. Ano sa nakatong topic?
So we have here lemon, salt,
And pepper.
and tequila shots. Some nuts. Hull. Pulutan Hull. Sour
cheesy.
strips. Cheesy. And our very trusted
Jose Cuervo.
favorite tequila.
Recommended. No headache.
I don't drink. That is a lie.
Ha? Wala
Joke
ko.
lang yun ng no headache day. Kaya murag ikapila na yun ko namatay ani.
Namatay, pero dili ka magka-headache.
Uy, ay stomach ache noon. Pero I don't think I had
Ay, actually,
headaches.
oo. Magkalibanga ako the next day.
I drink this exclusively.
Kana ra?
Oo.
Asa tequila. Ha? Dili ka
Mo ko
nag-inom.
ang pinakabarato doon. Kanang, kung mag-bar, wala man sila mojito dito.
Asa ba?
Tequila man jud nilang, Jose Cuervo man nilang pinaka lowest grade of tequila. Di mo ta mag 818 day, kaya di mo ta dato.
Sa bagay.
But, mo po niya akong pinaka-favorite yun. It's so smooth, it's so good, it's so perfect.
Ay, namo. Nahimog promoter sa Jose Cuervo. Yeah. So today, guys, we're gonna talk about dating and hookups. And what it's like.
to date at this day and age.
Yeah.
For context again, if you have not listened to our previous previous episodes,
Yeah.
we recently just became single. We will not elaborate further.
Ayaw na naming pag-usapan.
We will not
Ang mga
elaborate
nangyari.
further. But that's all you need to know is that we recently just became single. We both came from relatively long-term relationships and that's it. Yun na. That's what we have to say lang.
Ang amoy ng demonyo.
Ay. And we recently just bago lang minanulod na pod og dating world after being in a long-term relationship for quite some time.
In short, we're fresh out the slammer.
Ay, correct. By Taylor Swift.
Fresh out the slammer.
And kato, we're gonna share our experiences. And also our previous experiences dating, what it's like, and how
are we handling it right now?
Yeah, exactly. Correct. And we need tequila for it because it's very very turbulent, very
Just thinking about it, kalibangon ko.
Actually, so, sige, ang questions type.
Okay.
We're gonna take our first shot.
Okay, wait lang. So, the first... Ang first question is, where are you in your dating life right now? Okay, let's take a shot.
Mag-shot sa amin, okay.
Ay, kisa man eh. Cheers.
Cheers!
Utang. Ina.
Yawa. Visit.
Hoy! For someone nga 1 week nagsigig inom sa Siargao, gikapoy nako. Patya na lang ko ninyo. Okay, sige.
Where are we? I'm our dating life. I'll go first.
Where are you right now? I just ended my...
I'm at that point where I don't want to be in a relationship yet. I'm not sure if I ever want to be in again. I'm playing the field right now. Kato, I am playing the field right now. I am trying to date people. I'm trying to explore, figure out what I want. I'm not committing to anything yet. And that's all I say about that.
Ako, I'm playing the field. The soccer field, football field, basketball field. Golf course. Tanan. Ako sad, I'm also at that phase. Whole phase.
Whole
Kana.
face, correct.
Kana. I'm at that stage na kanang swipe. Swipe right, swipe left.
I don't think that was the correct question, Dai. I think the correct question was, should we go into it?
Sige! Ikat bitaw na og mali.
Okay. So we both mentioned, diba, that we're playing the field. Was there anyone in particular during the time that we played the field na was very significant na lang? Murag, no, not significant, noteworthy. Kanang, murag nakaingatag, ay, murag,
Ay, naman ni. Ansa naman ni?
Ikaw sa una?
Ako sa current kay, like what I mentioned, if you didn't saw the second episode, I mentioned na I went to two whole faces, which is the previous one when I was younger, and now nga medyo tita-tita na ta. Sa first, yes, naajod. Sa second, I really thought na wala. Until,
Tell the viewers.
Until kato siya. Ay! Kanami itong nag-full face ka para mag-move on. Tapos ang ending, kailangan na po niyo mag-move on. Tangina naman ng Judani.
Nag-whole face ka para makalimtan ng isa kalaki. Ang ending kay, duha na kalaki among kalimtan.
Kapuya, oy.
Kapuya, ni actually, I also met someone. Inaisip pa lang na ako na makita ni niya. Kaya mara na
ako po kiningon, manggod siya kamutan na daw siya.
Palpitate na ko. I recently ended things with them. Kaya we were not on the same page.
Huh?
We were not on the same page. Kanang, ambot, oy, kanang, it was a situationship. We were not together. We were not exclusive. Nothing. But, ako mang good na type of person kaya. Dili man siguro ni tanaw ni daddy, no? Pag, Lexi Gray, mang good ko na type of person.
Her heart lives in her vagina.
Correct. Kanang, it's something that I have to work on. But nabay scientific explanation na day.
Bakapan mangyayari science, ma'am.
There is scientific evidence that points to the fact na kanang if you sleep with people, like when a woman sleeps with a person, kay her brain releases chemicals that kanang murag ma-attach ato na person. Huy, that is backed by science, yun. Wala na ko ni ginabuhat-buhat, guys. Tinuod jud ni siya. And I guess that's also something I need to work on myself. And that's why I ended that situationship because I'm really not ready for anything serious. And I feel like that other person was also not looking for anything serious. And kanang, basta.
Murag, I feel like you don't
want
anything serious right now, but what's going on between the two of you is like going that way.
I would argue na he would not say that.
Okay.
The first, ang setup man gud adjud namo ato is kuan lang. It was just meaningless nothing. Kanang we're just like having fun lang yun.
Or maybe you want it but not with him.
No. I really don't want anything serious right now, and I don't think I can handle it pa.
You don't have the emotional capacity for it.
Oh yeah, I don't have the emotional bandwidth for it. Actually, mo na akong gingon sa iya ha. That exact line good. But kuan, I could also sense that this person didn't want anything like that, and I don't think he even really liked me beyond just the sex. Wala magributan na wani na family member na to no kaulaw, my god.
Congrats kung naimutan o na family member.
I need more alcohol for this.
Same.
Excited. Ikaw, i-explain ni mo, Haday.
Ako kung siya very Lexi Gray, I'm very Christina Yang. Like, very nonchalant. Very, not sa ako ang, like, serious relationships, but when it comes to my...
even that.
Sort of. Pero dili man, like, nag-invest man gyapon kog emotions. Pero, Lagi, very Christina Yang, jud kay ko, very nonchalant, very kanang, dili ko ganahan because I don't have the time for it. Wala ko'y time to dwell on it. Wala ko'y time para pag-isipan, or, like, murag, there was even one time nakatugong I hooked up with someone, onya, I don't know how to kick him out. Kay human naman. Human naman, the intention kay, nahuman naman na execute naman ang goal.
Ang goal.
So like, kung na-execute na ang goal, pwede na ka mo uli. Onya, he was there. Naramang yapon siya na yung murag gusto pa siya mag-small talk.
Nagalinger pa siya.
Oh, like, ano sa gusto niya? Gusto
Uy,
siya.
I'm like that ba yo?
Gusto pa siya mag-stay. Onya, I don't have the time for that. I don't have the time. I don't have, like, the emotional capacity to do that. Even gani, like, basta dili, like, even mag-kiss, like, sama ni. Ay, dili ko ganahan. Tapos, murag gusto pa siya magstay. So, akong gibuhat is, gitawagan ako siya, gitextan ako siya, anak ko, tawagi ko, tas ing na emergency para mulakaw na siya.
Ay, si toothpick ne.
Oo. Actually, kay
We
very...
have nicknames for all of our, guys.
Yeah, very nonchalant.
For all of the guys that we're dating, kanang nasa mga roster, we all have nicknames for them.
Very nonchalant man, good jud ko. Like, dili man ingon ka nang wala emotions, robot na lang. Sige, magkuanta niya po naman. Dili good, pero dili jud ko, I don't have the time for it. Number one, nakoy anak.
Feel ko murag emotionally stunted ka.
Oh, so once the deed is done, tapos na. But different pud ko when I was younger, when I was your age. When I was your age, pud ko kanang gusto pud ko emotional attachment. Like, hala, gikiss ko niya katong mi. What if? Like, ganun paghatod niya sa ko, gikiss ko niya sa kong forehead.
Ay, nga nandiyan ko.
Ganun pagkita na mo, siya, gwapal daw ko. Pero all the while, wala, he didn't mean it, pero ako, gitagaan ako to siya meaning.
Yes.
When I was young,
exactly.
when I was a lot younger, now, it was like 18, 19. So, murag, kayo. Pero karon, no, until, na-meet na kasi Siargao Boy.
Ay! Okay.
So,
Siargao Boy ang official nickname ano
Siargao
na
Boy.
podcast.
Dili lang ta mag-ingon og siya. Unsa iyang profession.
Okay.
Doesn't matter who he is. So, Siargao Boy. Pero Siargao Boy number 1 and 2, man good. Ay!
Hala! Sige.
So, moto. Nako dira na stage na kanang very nonchalant ko and I don't want anything other than sex. That's it. Kana. Kay feeling ako good kaya akong mood. Kanang nili. Feeling ako, murag mag-anxiety ko.
Ako, I'm the other way around. It's almost like for me, the hooking up is the bonus na lang. Akong ganahan yun is the playing house.
Ay! Gusto naman siya mag-live-in.
Uy, dili. No, like, the kanang, all of the benefits of the relationship but none of the commitment. Pero pag inganaon ko sa guy, I feel used. I feel kanang gipaasa ko. But kung ako maging anak, okay lang. Ay.
I mean, maybe it's also a factor na wala magkakatry mag-live-in with someone.
I guess, but it's not the live-in thing. It's like kanang
The treatment.
na kanang ihatod, sundo,
okay.
tawag og baby, kanang like kanang mga ingana na mga
Baby?
things. Oh, correct. And then kato siya the situationship. Pwede na to siya pangalan. Unsa man yung pangalan?
TikTok boy.
Okay. Si TikTok boy. He's the type of person na I don't know him that well. Okay, so if makita nimo ni TikTok boy, I'm sorry if I'm judging your character. Pero from what I can tell, he really plays around a lot. And I think you would agree with this, TikTok boy, that you do really play around a lot. And I think he does this to plenty of women.
Duha pala ni ka shot, guys, ha?
and I don't fault him for that. That's not a problem na ingana siya because I knew what I was going into when we had that thing, situationship, whatever. But what I signed up for was the hooking up part. I did not sign up for the
katon treatment niya nga beyond that.
the kissing, Naku,
You look so pretty today.
Kanang mga random compliments na mga, and I get, siguro that's also a problem with me, na murag, even when a person treats me with basic human decency, feeling na ako, kay crush na ko nila, or ganahan sila sa ako, maybe that's a me issue. Kay kanang, maybe, wala lang yun ko na-treat properly. That's why, feeling na ko, pag ginatreat ko right, kay murag,
it's something.
wala, ganahan
I give
siya
meaning
sa ako,
to it.
love na ko niya. Ingana. But, so I don't fault him for that, but what I signed up for was the hooking up part. I did not sign up for the, naku, makakiss man yun ni, ay!
Kung makakis daw, guys, mura man daw siya pakaslan.
For real, kanang, and I really think it's a me problem, and that's why I ended things, and too bad that I ended things, because it was a really good setup, and I really liked him. I mean, I was really attracted to him, and I was really having fun with him, but I feel like if na-continue to koan, it wouldn't have been good. It wouldn't have been good for either of us.
Yeah. Koan, kani.
Grabe, duha pa lang to ka-shot, I'm being very vulnerable na dayan.
Kani. Talk about your personal experiences and perspectives in dating. Dating apps, meeting new people, who pays what on dates, and how many dates until it's acceptable to sleep with a guy.
Ano?
Wait, chat sa ta.
Okay. Nonsense. Nagkanag kasi ay. Yeah. Fuck.
Okay, go. Dating apps. Let's start.
I'm on Tinder and I'm on Bumble.
Same.
Reddit. Guys, kabalo mo, say Reddit. Isa sa mong bonding.
As sisters.
Bonding times.
As whole sisters.
We're going on FaceTime. Tapos magtanaw mi sa mo ang phone. Mag-swipe mi together.
Sabay.
And then kung naay noteworthy na guy na, hala, para ni sa imuha, among isend sa isa't isa.
Isa namang link. Perfect.
That's what we do.
Kung daw, I bet siya day, pero 22 years old pa man. Para ni sa imo. Siya, ay, day, kaniday, tukon jud kaniday, perfect.
Kaniday, kay mura magyugubaw ni mong life, aniday.
Balibago nung yung kaniday. Isa day na mo sa isa't isa. Unsay makapaswipe right sa imo ha?
I guess number 1 is the looks. Not to be shallow, pero number 1 is the looks good. Number 2, if interesting ilahang bio, like kanang catchy.
Magbasa deg bio?
Nonsense! If interesting ilahang bio, if kanang di ba usahay na Spotify,
Yeah.
If similar among interests sa Spotify, if similar artists, we like the similar artists. Ano sa pa ba? Pero number 1 is looks good. I'm sorry, but that is the point of dating apps. If you're not attracted to the person physically, then what is the point?
Correct. Ako po, number 1, looks. Number 2, dili siya mag-profile picture o pamilya.
And ayoko ninyo inig shallow, kay kung ang lalaki mo yung na okay lang, pero pag babae kay dili. Nonsense. Correct.
Exactly. Kuan, as long as gwapo siya, and dili siya naga-picture anang na siya sa gym nga. Tapos mirror selfie pa, Jol. Tapos kanang flex, pagiging nga mangugat o may,
ako ang pet peeve yun sa dating apps kay kanang naagani. Ang uban kay, naman kay babae, nakauban sila sa profile.
Ang uban kay pamilya. Yang asawa o yung mga anak.
Asa ka diri,
Tapos nato, one time, nakauban niya yung iro. So, kinsa man akong i-date, ani.
Nili, ang uban yun kay kanang couple pictures, yun ilahang ibutang. Unsa man yun, nangita mong threesome, or kanang nangita kagabit, or unsa man.
Recently na ako'y na-encounter na kanang kanang sweet gid kay sila. Kanang bitong, kanang picture ba kay sweet gid. Di ka kaingon nga ate ni niya.
Gani. No nonsense.
Sweet man jud kay sila dahil sumurag dili man siguro ni niya sister. Murag imposible raman kayo. So murag, what is the thought? Kamo guys, kung if ever nag-dating app mo, tas inana inyong profile picture, tell me, what is the thought process?
What is the thought process behind that? Like, unsay mo, isip ko na, siguro kung nakoy kauban na babae sa akong profile, kay marag much approachable ko, or unsa ba, like, kanang, wala ko kagets.
Mas magets na ko ng uban. Actually, nakoy recently nakamatch na ang iyang profile picture kay kauban niya yung anak. Na sila sa surfboard.
Okay.
So, murag, okay, single dad ni siya.
Okay.
Di ta sure.
Okay.
Which is something na dili pod ko ganahan. Kay basig, buhi pa yung asawa. Ang gusto ba ako kanang patay na ang asawa, patay na iyang mama, o niya wala siya yung sisters. Muna ako ang gusto, guys. So, saan man eh? Wala naman ni nama ko.
Isa po sa akong pet peeve sa dating apps is kanang mag-message sa imo ha, and then ang i-message kay hey or hi.
Kanang walay nindot na opening message.
Unsa ko reply?
What am I gonna say
Hi.
to this?
Kunwari, let's say mag-hi pod ko.
Tapos?
So, mana to? Mana. Nonsense.
Ako po, di po nanugab, Jud. Ako po, di na ako kaya mag-open di ko ganahan na ako ang nag-open og topic.
Okay.
But at the same time, di po ko ganahan na super excited siya to meet me.
So, mali na lang tanan. Kana, there's so, like, kanang, makita yun mo, there is a wide variety of people yun in Davao City. Ang mga ginasuggest na gusto ako sa Bumble o sa Tinder karon kay mga taga-Bansalan, taga-Cotabatos. In my mind, kay murag, hala, nahurot na guro na ko tanan laki sa Davao or unsa ba?
Masig ang imuhang location.
Dili, naka Davao City. Nonsense.
Ano na ang Tinder? Megs, wala na. Nahurot na nimo. So, unsaon man nato ni? Wa naman ni na mao.
Ano, gari ko basig nahurot na ginako lalaki sa Davao City.
Ana. Okay, next. Ay, wait. Unsay mong mas ma-recommend? Tinder or Bumble?
Bumble.
Okay.
I feel like mas daghang matino sa Bumble because it's lesser known. But also, what I hate about Bumble is ako una dapat first mag-ano. Ako first dapat mag-message, which I don't like.
Which later on lang na ako na-figure out.
Oh, gani. Natingala siya, guys. Ayaw siya na, wala lagi ka message ako sa Bumble.
Ako
ikaw dapat una mag-message.
So, for those who don't know, inana sa Bumble, guys, girls ang mag-first move. So, if mag-match mo...
I think it's either girls or ikaw ang... Correct, na-like na kaniya.
No, girls cute.
Ay, girls cute? What if girl on girl? Kay ako kay... Ako kay... So, I don't know.
Kaya never mapod ko nakatry sa Bumble nga, sila una ni message. Ako cute. Katong ever since nag-ingon ka nga, dapat ikaw una mag-message. So...
But ako ma-recommend yun is Bumble because I feel like mas daghan yung matino sa Bumble.
Yeah,
And
same.
ganahan ko atong kanang opening move feature, ganin nila.
Na sila yung mga,
kanang mga lines na need mo answeran or whatever. And then, but I don't like that feature na ako first mag-move. Kay usahay kay mag-expire na lang ang conversation, dili na ako mag-first move. Nonsense. I don't like that.
Ako po, usahay makalimot na lang kung tama day ako di dapat ang mag-message. Pero ganahan ko sa Bumble kaya mga tao, mga live show.
Ay.
Like, dili sila mga squad, dili mga judgemon. Seldom lang kay ka makakita sa Bumble o mga judgemon. So, sa Tinder, manggod kay na dito tanan halos. As in, Jud, like, na dito mga manyakis, kanang murag mga rapist tugnaw. As in, Jud, kanang walang gagawing matino. Hoy, naapag ito one time nga. Sa Tinder ba, ang iyang profile picture, kay kanabitong, ang iyang t-shirt, kay kanabitong sa Maa Jail. So, ko nga, ay, bagong labas, nag-Tinder agad? Ano ba ni? Nato, one time.
Malay ni mo na, pwede siya sa sulod.
So, ansa mo, bisita ko dito? Ansa naman eh?
Okay. Never again.
Never again. Uy, wala mo ko. Ay! Meeting new people and who pays what on dates?
Who pays what on dates? I feel like kung kinsay nag-ask to go on a date should pay.
Same.
So it doesn't matter if you're a girl or a boy or a non-binary queen, king or whatever. If ikaw nag-ask to go on a date with me, you are paying. I will offer to go half-seas, pero I will not pay for it fully.
Ako po, Pero as a sugar mommy,
As
guys,
a sugar mommy.
di na ko i-mention kung kinsa ni siya, asan ako siya na-meet,
Okay.
or whatever. Pero, recently, kay, inana man jud gud ta. Nandamay pa. Inana man jud gud me, guys. Like, kanang, I always offer, I have the capacity to pay, man.
Correct. Ako pa.
Yeah, at the same time, maulaw ko kay dili ko ganahan nga murag na ko'y utang na loob.
Yes, ako po.
Dili ko ganahan nga murag ka ng unsay exchange ani.
Oh,
Dili ko ganahan. Dili ko ganahan ako, basig na ni exchange. What if I
Same.
don't like the guy? Or like, what if in the long run I don't like the guy? Dili ko gusto na siya masumbat.
And also, kanang, I want him to know that I can pay.
Yes! Kaya gusto ko makabalo siya nga alpha ko.
Yes, I want him to know na wala lang, like, kanang, I'm going on this date because I want to, not because gusto ko mukaon or ingana, like,
Oo. Dili ko ganahan
that feels icky to me. I
Correct.
don't know.
So, recently, guys, I met a guy. May ako mayon kung asa, kinsa, or whatever. Basta dito na dyan.
Ay, okay.
Nasagumay.
Sige.
Tapos, recently, guys, na-meet na ko siya. Unya, kanang, he pays on everything good. Like, kato na day, or throughout the day, kaya tibok day man mi nagkuyog, siya man jud nagbayad sa tanan. Like, feeling na ko that day, mura jud kog princess, kanang nakatuto dress and nakatiara man jud ko, guys. Sa sobra ka princess treatment. As in, unya, pagkahuman kay, every time na mag-attempt ko ba na, mag-stop by ta kay na ATM sa unahan. Every time na makita siya ATM, pakusgan niya, padagan kay para dili may makahunong. Kay dili siya masugot. Dili siya masugot, guys. Nga kanang mubayad ko or like magka-money ko on my hand kay para makatunol ko ba. And then, nag-date me somewhere o niya. Pagkahuman kay, paano na ko, pa-scan na ko sa QR. Tapos kaloko kay siya kay gianaan. Ko niyo, tapos ka naman yan gibayaran. Kaya nga naman, honey! Tapos, basta like, everything, he paid for everything the time na nagkuyog me. So, murag nabaguhan ko, kay dili magud inana, especially sa kong mga exes, or even on mga previous, kanang mga nakadate na ko before, usually, I make it a point na I pay.
I also have I feel like that's also a problem with us din na murag kanang, we won't allow them to treat us like kanang
Princesses or queens.
Princesses. But to me, I feel icky. I feel like katulagi mo ingon na murag hala na murag kapalit ani, and that's also a problem because you should allow people to treat you good.
Oh, yeah.
Kay magreklamo pud ka kung dili kay nga nag-treat.
To the point na niingon pa ko sa kong sister hang, ay, dahil mauni akong sa iya ha. Kay dili ko niya pabayron. Tama ba na nga mo yung kagmuna imong dili ganahan sa iya kay dili ka niya pabayron. So feeling ako siguro we've been treated so wrong for so long na we got used to it. And when we're treated like tama, feeling na tumurag alien kaayo sa atong paminaw like, unsa man ni?
Nabayay guys na na kanang ma-offend sila if mag-offer ka to pay.
Siya. Ma-offend lagi siya. Like, kay maano siya, kanang ma-offend siya. Or like murag ginapamukha niya sa kwaba na kanang, dili mas ginapamukha, pero feeling, do you think wala ko'y capacity to pay? Like, I'm the one that invited you, I should pay. Murag, inana yung ginapa-feel.
Although I feel like that should be the general rule.
Inana, dapat, pero since alien kay siya.
Kung kinsang nag-ask, sila mag-pay.
Pero alien kay siya sa kong feeling.
Same.
Kay feeling ako murag, dapat siguro ako ang mag-pay.
Mag-shot sa gurot.
Sige. Kaya nag-shot na akong isa ka situationship. Ay! Ito naman ni.
Ako, wala nagmahal sa ako.
Wala gid siya nag-chat sa mother.
Si TikTok boy? Wala na. Nag-likes lang siya sa akong stories and sa akong TikToks.
Correct.
Sa akong TikTok, sa akong stories, sa mga but wala na. Nonsense. Kung asa makakaroon. Hala.
Kung asa man kakaroon. Shot sa
Nabaya ko diri sa imong hometown. Ay!
Ay, pero dili ka sure kay 5 ka book yung taga-Mintal. Ay! Dili ka sure, ikaw ba to? Sa kadaghan ba naman sa taga-Mintal?
Ihawan siya doy.
Matingala pa kang anong na siya, dili perminti sa kuha. Cheers! Hindi na ako magawa sa kong ilong.
Oh my God.
Ako ni mo giapil lang Kinder Joy.
Kinder Joy.
Nagpiknik na.
No.
Hoy!
You know, no cute, no sense.
Uy. Nay, wala ko na gano'n. Wala ko nag-may!
Nahubog na yun. Nahubog na yun.
How many dates until it's acceptable to sleep with a guy?
Mag-date
Huh?
ba, ay?
Mag-date, day. Pag to na ko, diretso na.
If it's a date, if you're really interested in the guy, I feel like 2 to 3.
Ako, it's different. I'm different when I really like the guy and I'm different when I don't. Like when ako ang habol lang sa iya kay
Ako sad.
just the
Ako sad.
sex.
If it's just the sex, then
Pero what if
mag-date
during nag-sex ay after ninyo nag-sex saka pa nimo siya na like? What happens?
which is always the case for
Which
me.
is always the case for me too.
Kanang, I feel like at that point, wala na going back.
Oh, ako pod.
Because here's the thing that I noticed about
Men.
boys, na kanang, as I progressed with my whole phases since 2019 pa, once you sleep with them, you're done. That's all they're gonna want from you.
Mm-mm.
Actually, that's really true. That's all they're gonna want from you. I've only been with one guy na I slept with on the very first date and nag long-term relationship me.
Hala, same. Si Zemog. Ayaw to i-bleep ako ha. Si Zemog.
Ayaw to i-bleep.
Si Zemog. Nag-start jud mig one night stand. Unya, I don't know what happened. Nahimo mig ka ng friends with benefits. Unya, it became a relationship a month after.
Ako we really went out on a proper date and then we slept together by the end of that date. And then we were together for a year and 7 months. But throughout the relationship murag never nawala sa akong mind na kanang basing nagstay lang siya for the sex. And that's something that I need to work on. I mean, I recognize that that's a me problem. Like, siguro, maybe kanang he really had pure intentions and then kanang it turns out na nag-sex lang yun may at the start, kanang at the beginning of our relationship. But I feel like moving forward, that's gonna be the general rule for me. If I'm really into it for the date, kanang I really genuinely like the person, I won't sleep with them on the first date.
Yeah. Siguro ako pod.
I don't know. I feel like once you sleep with a guy, I think it's done in their mind. Na kanang murag.
But
that's all
which is a different case pod for me kaysa papa ni Chambe, si Fahad. Twice me nag-date. Nawala gyud nahitabo. Actually 3 times. Before pa nga na nahitabo sa mua. Like, and then ang gap pa gyud sa 3 dates kay dugay. Nya pagawan, I imagine kay when I met him before him, whole face ko. Like, all the guys I dated were like, sex lang tanan. Wala joy ka ng like, straight good, puros lang kabuang. And then I met him. And then, when I met him, I thought na, mulang pud to, mag-sex lang pud mi. And as it turns out, wala joy nahitabo sa mga. Nagkuyog mi the whole night. Nakauli ko og apartment na mo ni Karina kay mga 4 a.m. And then, sige ko, anak kay Karina, wala mi nag-sex. Oh my God, alien.
Mabaguhan, good.
Oh!
Mabaguhan ko. I recently went on a date with
okay.
Wala yun nahitabo. Wala mi nag-holding hands, wala mi nag-hug, wala mi nag-kiss, nothing. Like kanang nanao lang ming movie, nangaon mi, and then that's it. And to me, kay murag, that's something new. Na murag kanang, I've never done that with anyone before. Na murag kanang wala gyud anything. But it was also refreshing. And in my mind, I was like, ay, siguro dapat ingani gyud.
Especially if you meet them sa dating app. Because usually, when you meet them sa dating app, the intention really is to have sex.
Yeah, because what are you
here for?
Who goes on Bumble and Tinder for long-term relationships?
Movies.
Although, gani?
Na may uba na may nga sa long-term
I met
bullshit.
I met one of my long-term ex-boyfriends kay Koan sa Tinder.
Ay, correct.
But it just turns out na same school.
Okay. So, mao to, it's different if you like a guy, but it's also different if the intention really is just to have sex. That's it.
Exactly.
But it's also a different case what if nag-sex mo and then later on pa ni mo siya nagustuhan.
See, I usually am like that. And I will always blame the scientific explanation na akong mentioned earlier. But I feel like kana lagi. It's there's no going back from that because for the foreseeable future, that guy will always see you as a sex object and nothing more.
Yeah. And would you recommend liking someone or getting in a relationship with someone after, like, I don't know, hooking up with them? Like, what if the guy,
because popular media likes to romanticize that na kanang murag friends with benefits and then na-fall sila sa isa't isa, kanang nag-hook up and then na-fall sila sa isa't isa. Gina-romanticize na siya. But in reality, it's very different. More often than not, it's really just one person likes the other, but the other sees it only for sex lang. For what it is. Kana.
It's very,
sige, ito ka to sa TikTok, a situationship is just one person with commitment issues and another one with attachment issues.
Correct. Seldom rapod kay ka makakita og like two consenting adults just wanna have fun. Yeah. Seldom ra kayo. Like, at some point, naagyod ma-fall or like ma-attach, and that's very tragic. But
I've had two life-shattering, earth-shattering, situationships in my life na murag ka nang murag magyud ko ginapatay.
Patya na lang.
Ginapatay after every time na makita sila.
Ako sad.
Because I don't have boundaries yun.
That's a difference
wala
between
jud ko'y boundaries na kanang sex lang. Kanang ingana. Tanan ginabutangan og meaning.
Ako, when I first see someone, kabalo na ko kung unsan eh. Like, I kanang, for example, makita na ko siya, okay, diri ra ni kutob. So, I don't think I
don't have that.
Kabalo ko mag-condition.
To me, kay akong eternal thought always is, what if? What if?
Recently, though, ako ay nana. What if?
Diba? And, we're working on it.
We're working on it. Sige, next question. Shot! Each share the story of the worst date you've ever been on.
Oh my God. Wait, pwede isipan sa
date or hookup? Pwede lahi. Lahi-lahi.
Sige, lahi-lahi.
Worst date and worst hookup.
Worst date? I don't think I've had a really bad date.
Ako naaba ko.
Wala ko yung maisip na really bad date. Hook up na, And you don't know about this, kaya na-save na to ni for the podcast. Kaning hook up story.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Wala kakabalo.
Okay, sige, so go. So guys, you will hear this the same time na I'm gonna hear it. So, ang reaction ako ani guys is raw. Like, yun, for real. Sige. Ano sa worst?
Sa date, wala ko yung maingon.
Worst date? Siguro katong high school pa ko, na katong gitiunan og pusil ni Lolo ang sinyan.
Ay, okay. Story.
Mo to ang pinaka-worst kay tibuok barangay mo siya nangin mo. So,
Shata.
Okay. Ay, funny.
Ano?
Saba. Saan yun ay?
Pingis naman ka dahil. Hala, napingis
naman. Napingis. Natipsi. Ang pingis kulang man na.
Ay,
guys, fun fact, siya kabalog Bisaya. Oh. Okay, go. Whew!
Go. Continue.
So, nakuli ka ng high school pa ko mga 3rd year, 4th year. Dili siya whole phase, date lang. Unya, silingan me. Unya, birthday to sa kong lolo. Gusto siya mo adto, kay he wants to meet na kanang the family. Pero silingan, good ni good. Unya, ako ato, kay kanang for someone na murag, dili ko ganahan nga kanang kung ina na kanang ma-meet ang parents, feeling ako murag sa man, weird man ka yung gusto siya ma-meet niya. Ahead siya sa kuha, like murag 5 years ahead. So murag college na siya, tas ako kay 3rd year or 4th year high school. So niyan ako saya, if gusto jud ka na mag-date after na lang, pag human sa celebration diri sa balay, pagtulog na tanan tao. Tapos siya ato na time na siya ato. Actually, recently lang ako nakabaluday and naka-remember na naaday ka ato nga time. Tapos birthday to sa kong lolo, guys. So, tulog na tanan. Tapos namin sa terrace, ang ancestral house maguna mo sa province na ay terrace. Sa amin sa terrace, guy. Chika-chika lang, good me. Tapos dato yung mga nabilin nga cake, ice cream, gidalaan ako siya, nangaon mi dito sa terrace. Hala kay natingala man ko nga. Nisiga ang suga sa sala. Close ang door. Wala na ako gi-open ang door sa terrace. Nisiga ang suga sa sala. So, yan ako kay as guilty, ning ko, glo. Anak ko, tas siya, Jude, si Lolo, Jude. Tapos, anak ko nga, tapos basig, wala ko niya gipangutana, anak ko nga, walay signal sa taas, man gud, ninaog ko diri. Tapos, siya nga. Tapos, ni anak ko, Lolo, siya, hapa. Tapos, gipalong niya ang lights. Pagtalong sa lights, gi-on ako ang suga sa terrace. Kaya ka na murag nagpanic na ko ba? So, not thinking akong on ang suga sa terrace, tapos off sa sala, makita iyang shadow. So, gipasaka ko sa kong lolo sa taas, nisaka siya, gikuha niya yung baril, tapos sigawas ang guy, nidagan siya sa gate, naabdan siya sa kong lolo, gitutukan siya, giana na dyan ang baril diri, giana dyan ang baril diri, kay nagtuwa kong lolo nga, na ako sa terrace, tas na nagamanman nga kawatan. Wala nag-iisip at all akong lolo nga, ako ba itong bisita, kasi ako itong uyab, or nagtago-tago lang, wala siya intention na isipon ha, ayang giisip kay, akong apo na pahamak. Wala siya intention nga mo ito yung ginawa na, nag-igat-igat. Wala, ang tagtuon niya, nagtambay ko sa terrace din na ay kawatan nga nagamanman sa kuha. So, mo ang pinaka-worst nga date. Like, naihapit na matay tungkol sa kong kaigat. Tas nadungog to sa whole barangay, guys. Kaya ang iyang papa man good kay Army.
Papa sa guy.
And then iyang mama ka marag pro-leader siguro. Tapos dungog jud siya like tanan to the point na wala ko ni uli dito sa balay sa kong lolog lola for 1 month na ako ilatita. Dito ko nagstay kay ulaw jud kay like mugawas lang ka para magpa-load tanawon ka mo man na siya tong igat kayo nga nagpadto dito kang bunbun sa balay na hapit na nun namatay si bunbun. Tapos kana mo si bunbun guys kay crush ng bayan na siya bunbun kung asa makakaron. Crush ng bayan na siya. So like hate ko sa mga tao, they hate my guts kina pull off na ko siya. Char. So, murag, to, niya hapit siya namatay, kagitiunan siya sa kong lolo, revolver, pag ito, day. Revolver.
Akong perspective ato is pag mata nako, nagtapok naman ang mga tao. Sa maninya.
Imagine, nagtapok ang mga tao.
Kaya wala mo ko kamata ato, kato nagkayagaw tanan. Pag mata nako, dito pa nako hala, nagtapok lang yung mga tao. Imong ate mang good, kay igat.
Inahana. So, muna akong ginahingon nga sa'yo kay ko nagigat-igat, guys. Sa'yo kay ko nangitag male validation.
Correct.
Kani, worst, ako sa mag-storya sa akong worst hookup.
I see.
Sige.
Si Toothpick?
Akong worst hookup, si Toothpick. Actually, worst, good. As in, kay guys, saan man ako pag-describe, ha?
Kani?
Day, gamay pa ani, day.
Kani?
We did not name him Toothpick for nothing. Kaya ka nang, wala na mo siya gitagaan og nickname nga Toothpick for nothing yun, guys. Like, di gid ko moingon nga, basig luag lang kong bilat. Dili gyud. Gamay gyud. As in, tapos ka nang, unsa tawag ani ka nang, katabi tang sa Sex in the City nga, nasulod na. Ha? Muna ni? Kanang, okay. Sige. Mag-ano na lang ko, mag-pretend na lang ko nga murag nasakitan ko very light. Hala, wala, Jude. Tapos mo akong story ganina nga, gusto na ako umulakaw na siya, tapos nag-atik-atik ko nga na ay emergency. Mo to, as in like super
nanawag pa ko siya, day, world-class acting pa to siya.
World-class acting. Promise, guy, when I tell you na gamay gyud. Micro penis.
Bago na beto siya nag-post sa IG na siya.
Uy!
Good luck sa'yo, girl!
Good luck, ti. Bahala na ka na, ti.
Paningkamuti na lang na, ti.
Paningkamuti na lang na, dira. Sige, tapos, ikaw, die, worst hookup. Ay, wait lang,
I can't think of my worst date right now. Kay what?
Mm.
Wala gyud. I don't think I've had any bad dates at all. My worst hookup story. Wala pa siya kabaloan ni. So you are getting the real raw reaction. This happened December 2022.
Bago lang.
2022?
Oh, gani ba?
Bago na. This was before sa akong last relationship.
Okay. Before,
A day before.
Ha!
Aniha. I was in the nearing the end of my whole phase, and ultimately this was the hookup na nakapahumaan sa ako ang whole phase. Because it was so bad na by the end of it, I was like, tama na goro ni. Basig mao pa niya akong kamatyan. Basig I will meet my end yun kung magpapadayon pa ko yung ani. Because I met this guy sa Tinder. And he was very good sa text. Like he was very impressionable, like murag tarong man siya ka storya, murag matino man siya na guy. And then he wanted to meet up sa iyahang condo. Which was okay because hook up lang man siya, dili man siya ingon na date yun. And I really was in it for the hook up lang pod. I wasn't really interested in him to date. Nga na. And then nag-offer pa siya na isunduon ko, which is very layo baya because if you know na layo man siya kay kog balay sa south pag yun, south from downtown sa Davao City. So nag-offer pa siya na isunduon ko niya, hindi hatod rapod ko niya pabalik. And then this happened mga 12 a.m. na sa Kadlawon. And I was like, okay, para tulog na tanang tao sa balayan, escape na lang ko. Mo sneak out na lang ko. Sorry, daddy. Kung naminaw mang ka. Ana, sorry, daddy. Sorry, mamila. Sorry, tita Antanan. Sorry, guys. Kaan. Sige, deadbolt na nila kung kwarto din ako pahawaon. Kaan, tawag ani. So, kato. And that's exactly what I did niya. Gisundo ako niya, naabot mi siyang condo. He was good pa during the drive there. Very, very okay kasturya, very nice.
Yung naong inosente.
Okay lang.
Makaingon ka na you can trust or dili ko.
No, okay lang.
Sige.
Okay lang. And same lang mig-school.
Okay.
Na-roll down ng mga tao. Basta, same lang mi og school, pero ni-graduate na ata to siya. I can't remember. Basta, same may taga-ado. Hala, na siya ng mga ado. Anyway, same may na taga-ado. So, marag, I felt comfortable instantly. Sa sakyanan. Dito na kumurag na, hay, unsa naman eh, katong pag-abot sa condo. Kay, sa giparking niyang sakyanan, sa underground parking, gipawait pa ko niya sa underground parking para musaka. And then, kanang, di ba, musulod sa gate sa condo, gipaduko ko niya kay para di ako makita sa guard. At that point, anak ko, ay sige, basig bawal yun ang bisita or basig nga na.
Basig nag-rent lang po siya, Airbnb.
Oo, nga na. Wala siya nag-rent. Like, we'll get to that.
Okay.
We'll get to that.
Okay.
And then keep in mind all of this is happening late at night na, 12 a.m. So, anak ko, sige, pero at that point, weirdohan ako, pero sige na lang, kaya na naman ko dito.
Fuck around and find out.
So, kato, niduko ko, nag-wait ko siya sa parking garage, and then gisundo rapod ko niya sa gamit elevator, and then whatever, and then nakasakan ako. So, nanami siyang kondo. Pagsulod pa lang ako sa kondo, someone cooked here. Kabalo ka na TikTok sound, someone cooked here. Kada nga na gani. Kay, kinsa may lalaki na gagamit og bobby pins. And all this time, he did not say anything about living with someone.
Okay.
Walay ate or mama or whatever in the picture. Kato.
I know where this
na may
is
mga, na bobby pins, na kanang, just things that boys don't typically use na girls do. If you know what I mean. If you know, like, if you can see where I'm going with this. Yeah. So, pero gipalampas lang nako to na, what if lang yun, nagamit yun siya bobby pins. Like, kanang,
para ni daddy, ang ginatutpick sa iyang, iyang ginakulkog sa iyang dalunggan kay bobby pins, si
oh,
daddy, di ba?
Like, what if, nga na lang dun. And then, very kalat iyang place. Iyang place. And then, nag-ask ko na mag-CR to kanang mag-freshen up nga na. And then, pag sulod ako sa CR, na may napkin.
Ay, wrong. Ala. Tawa.
In my mind, anak ko, basig na siya ate. Or basig na siya ate, or katabang, or ano ba? Or, naisip po na ko na, what if he's one of those guys na just keeps napkins around kay para if ever na siya yung mga female guests kay kanang...
Or like, parani mo.
Parani
mo na siya makahook up and then what if
Oo, ana, di ba?
Gina-justify.
Gina-justify pag yun. Pero ginahatagan ako siya benefit of the doubt. Kana ba? Pero kat a time kay nagtanaw mig mga BTS music video sa sala niya, and then until such time na dito na murag na wrong katong
katong,
diba? Nag-ano na mi, while we were doing the deed. Murag, not to be pero this was the first time na murag na ano magid ko murag na ay, nakanang inga nagig ko, I feel like I've come across a wide variety of kinks na. Kinks, like kanang, I've seen it all, kumbaga. So you really have to try hard to shock me. Pero this time, kina-shock mangyud ko.
Kay?
Kitawag mo ko niyag, mommy.
Oh my God! No! No!
Wait lang. Wait lang.
No.
Wait. Hatagi kong chance.
No.
Hatagi kong chance.
No.
No. like, katanata, like, kanang na, ano na.
Make it stop.
Tawag mo ko niya, mommy, and then, tapos ano pagid ka nang nakahinga, nakapasya siya sa salita. Lurky siya, no? Lurky siya yung na, ha? Okay lang ka. And then, I don't kink shame. If mo na yung mohang kinks, okay, that's fine. Pero, at least talk to me about it beforehand. Kay, makashock magod siya na, mommy, niya, marag ka ng tapos coupled with the fact na napad yung nakita ng mga bobby fins sa floor and then ay napkin sa CR, like, marag, what am I supposed to think after that? and then on top of that, pag yun kay, marag, so katon, gitawag ko yung mommy, and then I was already very uncomfortable na pag yun, and then, I feel like not siya thing about name calling kay ginatawag pa kaniyag slut, ginatawag, like, kanang ingana yun ng mga derogatory names, which, fine, pero like, talk to me beforehand, and it wasn't like, it's different kung like regular na nako siya na fubo or like kanang regular na naka-hook up or whatever like that. Pero first time manggod to. So it's very jarring ba na murag, mommy na yun. Nonsense. So kato, mo dito, tapos nanggahi na ko, like murag ka nang, I could already feel na murag, naga-panic attack na ganit ko. Mind you, we really never talked about it beforehand yun. And then, hatod sa kato, sa nahuman siya, and then, katong, gusto pa mangyud siya mag-second round, day. Pero dili naman ko. And then, what am I supposed to do? Mo to, ni naog ko, nag-CR siya, day. And then, gikuha day na ko kung mga gamit. And then, nilakaw ko.
Wala ka na nang hid?
Wala, nibaba na ko dayon.
Oh my gosh.
And then, panaog na ko, kay giblock na nako siya sa tanan. And then, I was so paranoid na basig ka ng, sundan gani ko niya. And then, I don't know the building, I don't know ano. And then, I had no way of knowing na kanang, kung asa mo agi, kung asa mag-ano. And then, mo to, niuli ko by myself.
Toxic ka.
And that was the worst hook up of my entire life.
Oh
and then,
God.
Kato gani, like, kanang the fear of like, basig, ginasundan ko niya, basig, kanang murag,
muna ni, mamatay na dyan ko. Mag-garbage. Muna mong term.
Mag-garbage bag.
Muna mong term. Masulod na ka sa garbage bag.
Correct. And then, this happened December 2022. A day before, Aniha, diba? That was the hookup that made me swear off of hookups na gina. Murag anak ko na,
Din ako.
Tama na guro
Tama
ni.
na ni.
This is murag I was always convinced that it was just a whole phase, pero mo na tong kanang deciding factor na okay,
That's it.
done, tama na.
Mm-mm.
And then the very next day after that, I fell in love. Fell in love.
Kadali.
Pero katong I met, not really meet because we were already friends. Pero dito na nagka-something mini the very next day.
Grabe dahil.
And I really took that as a sign na murag correct, mo na gitong final straw na ko, and then this is it.
Grabe, murag scene sa Soko.
Seryoso.
Kung namatay ka, to rin, na-feature ka. Uy.
Correct.
Yaman.
Grabe, no? Mommy mang gyud. Ako pag yun mong ingana na ako'y mommy issues.
No. Gago. Kani. Last question. What advice would you give to a young woman wanting to try casual dating / exploring?
Be safe.
Yes.
Kanang tawag ano? Piggybacking off of the story I just told. Always be safe. It's always helpful to have one friend who knows your location at all times. Kanang i-update yun mo always kung asa ka paadto, kinsay mo kauban, who to call if ever na emergency.
And then, it's much better kung naka-place ni mo. Yeah.
Actually.
Kung naka-place ni mo, dito siya moadto sa imong place rather than you going to his place. Ako, I would recommend.
Be safe in terms of like kanang well-being nimo, na kanang safety gyud nimo, but also be safe kanang sexually.
Yeah.
If you're a young woman na kanang nag-whole face good and then you're sleeping around, there's no shame in that. But please get checked.
Asa ganito
Always
mong
get
ingon?
checked.
Ahate mong ingon na katong magpa-shots.
FPOP, Family Planning Organization of the Philippines, na sila office diri sa Rojas banda.
Yes.
Sa may San Pedro sa Boulevard banda.
Tapos unsa tong ingon ni Titaan na dapat magpa-HPV shots, something.
HPV shots.
Yeah, I do that since Titaan told me. Gingnan ko ni Titaan
vaccine,
na
HPV vaccine.
Gingnan ko ni Titaan na 2016. And then I've been doing it regularly since.
Because HPV, I think I might be talking out of my ass, pero like some staggering amount, like kanang murag 70% or something of women get HPV, and that is the virus that eventually develops into
AIDS.
No.
AIDS unsa day?
Ovarian cancer.
Ovarian cancer.
Ovarian cancer. And that's why women at the age of 21 should get their first pap smear to see if susceptible baka ana na type of cancer.
Correct.
Kana.
So
that's what I would recommend. Like, also, if you're kanang 16, 17, 18, kanang ingana pa ka na age, our educational system does not allow for us na kanang ma-educate sexually in that
Pero
way.
Pero allowed man sila mag-buy og condom inana na age, diba?
But I would advise na you do your own research. Your sources are very well available. Like, the internet is free.
Correct. Google is there.
Naalang na always. And also talk to your older sisters, kanang mga older people in your life. If not, you'd get emergency na kaningana. Kay lisod na, guys.
And then no is a no.
Yes, consent always.
Consent is important, guys. So don't be afraid to say no. Like for example, there were instances na kanang sa sobra na ko ka people pleaser in my younger age, in my younger days, na kanang na naman ko diri. And then if makita na ko siya, I don't like the guy feeling na ko wala na ko choice to say no because I said yes the first time.
Yes, and never feel like you have to say yes because you owe them something.
Yes.
Kanang gipalitan kag ingani or like kanang gidate ka or whatever ingana. Because at the end of the day, all you really have is your gut feeling.
Correct.
Imuhang ano lang yun, imuhang your intuition. That's all you can rely on at the end of the day. With the story that I just told, if katong the first time that I already felt uncomfortable, if nihawa na ko at that time,
Pagkakita pa lang niya.
I wouldn't have to go through all of that.
Pagkakita pa lang niya sa bobby pins.
Dapat nihawa na gid ko ato. But, kato.
So, do you think nato siya girlfriend or ate? Or
I feel like, ako nasa utok day, kay what if mama niya?
Oh my God, I can't. Di na ko kayo nauna-on.
Lanis. Basta lagi.
Targaryen siguro to siya, day.
No. As in dime.
Huh?
Ang butasan na to siya.
Kangilingig, uy.
Give
Makita
after-
niyo mo siya sa mall mo, sa kadayt. Like, Davao is so small.
Run the other way, manggit ko dahil.
Karon nga, nag-swipe to sa Tinder, I realized Davao is so small.
No, actually.
So, like, what if
Uy,
masugatan na to siya?
sometimes good no ka na, di ba, since 2019, pamanggid ko naga-Tinder. Though, all on-off siya.
Ako po.
The people na naa sa Tinder atong 2019, kinara gihapon sila
Yes,
dito.
it's the same freaking people. Actually. So, yun. And I also recommend you get an interval guide, eh.
Ay, okay.
Kanang someone you call pag kanang padulong na ka ma-fall sa imong regular hookup. Tawagan na para ma-erase ang mga traces of evidences. Ako, inana ko. Nakoy, ano.
Wala ko ma-advise sa mga dali ma-attach because I am also still working.
Tabangunon po na siya, guys.
We can't have the blind leading the blind.
And mas better gid siya, guys, if on set you set your expectation.
Ingon naman mi pero ma-attach man gyapon. Ang by the start of the hookup kay mag-set na may expectations, ano lang jud ni ha for fun lang.
Dili man god kay ikaw, you say it just because.
Actually.
Just to say it, you say it.
I say it for posterity na lang and then pero in my mind kay what if?
Not if.
What if?
What if?
Nonsense. Oy, visit. Pero nga nagid ko. And sige lang, maabot lang siguro ko ano na face sa kanang
Trial and error man gid ang hookup culture. Trial and
Actually.
error gid siya. Dili gid siya perfect on the first try.
Na mangyuban oy na kanang
Perfect.
mura mangyug guba jud akong world. Hala.
Basta akong maingon lang kay ang katong pinaka-last, guys, kay. Naa naman dyan construction site sa akong ovaries. Feeling man ako nagpatukod siya kondo sa akong fallopian tube.
Diba?
Kung asa man ka karon, unta maayo imong pagluto-luto diha. Ay!
Basta lagi.
So, mga to siya. That's it. Be safe. Get
Stay
checked.
safe, get checked, and enjoy.
Correct. Bye!